Here's a simple guide on how to remove your phone number from Facebook without using a WhatsApp verification code. Open the Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com. Go to Menu, then Settings and Privacy, and open Settings. We need to add a new phone number before removing the old one. Inside Settings, go to Personal Details or Account Center. Select Phone Numbers, then tap Add New Number. Enter your new phone number and confirm it using the SMS code you receive. Once confirmed, this new number will be linked to your Facebook account. Now open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Open the Accounts Center section. You should see your updated phone number synced from Facebook. This ensures the old number is no longer required. Go back to Facebook Settings, return to your phone number list, select the old number, and tap Remove at the bottom. Because a new number is already verified, Facebook will let you delete the old number without needing a WhatsApp code. And that's it. You've successfully removed your old Facebook phone number without any WhatsApp verification.